Hello, welcome. Let us discuss and understand various tools available in the market for capturing the heap dump. Some of the tools include JDK. We have already discussed how to capture heap dump using JCMD and JMap. And we can also use a JVisualVM, also called Java Visual VM, which is a tool which was coming with JDK until JDK 8. Later it has been separated from the JDK, and we have discussed about this tool earlier while discussing about the thread dump. We have discussed how to download and install this tool while discussing about the thread dump analysis. This tool can be used for taking a thread dump as well as heap dump. These tools are mainly for Java based applications, and there are many other tools based on the programming language and the platform, such as Windows Debugger for .NET and C++, GNU Debugger, .NET Memory, Perfecto for Android, Heap Track for C++, and we have many more tools available in the market. It is not practically possible to download, install and work on every tool, but once you understand the concept, you should be able to adopt to any tool based on the tool that is being used in your organization. Basically, here we focus on understanding the concept. Right now, we will use one of the open source and free tool, that is Java Visual VM, for taking a heap dump, and let us understand how it can be used. Let us practically take a heap dump using Java Visual VM. In short, it is called JVisualVM, and let us understand how it can be used for taking the heap dump. Java Visual VM is a free and open source monitoring tool that used to come with JDK until JDK 8, but after that it has been separated from the JDK. It helps in capturing the heap dump, monitoring the CPU, monitoring memory, profiling the application, and troubleshooting the performance issues in Java applications. We have already discussed how to download and install this application in a thread dump analysis section. If you have not installed a Visual VM already, you can go to this particular website and you can download the Visual VM and you can install. Installation is very straightforward. I have already installed a Visual VM in my Mac PC. Let me open the Visual VM. Visual VM. You can observe here under local, it means in the local system, this particular system, two Java processes are running. One is Visual VM itself. This tool itself is a Java based application, and here also one more process it is running. If you open this process and if you go to this system properties, you can understand here it is a Jenkins based process. Jenkins.var file is running, and this is for this application itself, that is a Visual VM. If you want to take a heap dump of any application that is running on the server side, then you can click on this remote and you can give the IP address of the server and you can connect to the server and you can take the heap dump as well. So now we do not have any server infrastructure, so I will illustrate taking a heap dump on my local system. And if I open the browser and if I open localhost 8080, you can observe here Jenkins is running. So now if I select this Jenkins process and right click, and I can take a heap dump by clicking on this option. And there is also one more options. You click on this and then go to monitoring section, and here you have a option here, heap dump. You can click here as well, right? If you click on heap dump, now it has taken a heap dump here. You can see here new tab is opened and this is the heap dump details. We will learn how to analyze this heap dump in the later section of the course, but right now we will understand how to capture the heap dump. And you can also save this heap dump. You can select this heap dump and you can right click on this. You can click on save as, and you can select any folder in your system. You can save the heap dump with this extension HPROF. You can use this saved file for analysis purpose later. And you can also go to here file option and you can select save as. You can save using this option as well, right? But before saving, you need to select this particular heap dump file, right? This is the heap dump that has been captured using Visual VM. So this is how you can capture the heap dump. So we have understood there are two options here for capturing the heap dump. One is you go to monitoring section, you can click on heap dump, or you can right click on this Java process and click on heap dump. It will capture here heap dump. Right now I have captured the two heap dumps. It will also show the timing when heap dump is captured, and you can save the heap dump using either right click on this or you can go to file, click on save as, right? This is how we will capture the heap dump using Visual VM. We will continue our discussion in the next lecture. Thank you for watching.